In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add or remove guided access shortcut to the control center. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down for a bit until you find control center. Just get into it, and here you can find two different boxes. The first is included controls. There are shortcuts that are already at control center and more controls. From here you can add any of that shortcuts to the control center just by tapping at that plus sign. So now all you have to do is find guided access feature at more controls and then hit at that plus sign next to its name to add it right here. So now you can swipe from the top right hand corner to open up control center, and here you can easily find guided access shortcut. You can tap on that to open up guided access. You can first enable it and then set up it in any way that you want. And also in any time you can open up control center and hit on that icon to open up guided access. You can enable or disable it in that simple way. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.